Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am making a one-pot meal. I'm making roasted chicken with potatoes and veggies. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you enjoy this meal. So we're going to wash and pat dry our chicken and drizzle some oil on. And then we're going to get our seasonings ready. We have 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic herb, 1 teaspoon of basil. Then I have 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning and a pinch of salt. 2 pinches of salt. We're going to mix it together really well. And we're going to sprinkle on our chicken. We're going to blend the seasoning in really well with the oil and chicken. Please like and subscribe, share this video, and please do leave a comment. Thank you. So I'm going to cut my veggies. I'm going to cut 1 whole onion into large pieces. I have carrots, and you can put in as much carrots as you want. I think I got about a cup of carrots, maybe a cup and a half. And then I have a half of a green bell pepper. I'm cutting into good sized pieces. And I have a 1/4 of a red bell pepper diced into big sized pieces. And then I have about 5 to 6 potatoes. I'm going to cut into big size pieces as well. Drizzle, I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over the veggies, and I'm sprinkling in some basil, about a teaspoon of basil and about a teaspoon of pepper, and then I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of Old Bay. And again, you can put whatever seasons you want in. And then I'm going to also put in a pinch of salt, and I'm going to put in some parsley just for a little bit of more color. Mix well. I'm going to spray my pan really well. And I have 8 pieces of thighs that I'm going to put in my pan. And then I'm going to put my veggies around the pan evenly so we get a good cook on all the veggies. And I'm going to put in the oven for about 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven, at about 400 degrees. And here we have our delicious baked chicken and potatoes with veggies. One-pot meal. Very simple, easy, but delicious. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Leave me a comment.